Last detect is the vtpdetect, the Voronoi tessellation detection. It groups pixels by how close together they are, and sets a threshold based on what it determines to be what it thinks is the global background. It is very good at finding irregular shapes. It doesn't care about, it's not trying to do a matched filter kind of thing, so it can find irregular convex kind of shapes. But it's very poor in crowded fields. So, for example, here we see it has detected all of this, all of these sources here as one big extended looking source. The actual CIAO tool under the hood has parameters you can control to basically controls how much blending or not blending of these sources you want. So this is the actual detect cells. These are the actual polygon regions that it itself uses. I've loaded frame, next frame, the same image. We can actually load this region file indirectly. Copy, region, load. And actually I want this, but I don't want the actual, that's what I want. Okay. And now you can see kind of the same thing you were seeing with the detect, or with self-detect and wait detect, the ellipses. So